What it do, my boss boos? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to show you guys this super versatile wig. Yes honey, this is a wig sitting up on top of my head. This wig is from WIGENCOUNTERS. Shout out to WIGENCOUNTERS for sponsoring today's video. Make sure to click those links down below in the description box to see all of their information. They sent me over this beautiful yaki straight versatile wig. Honey, this wig is a half wig, full wig, headband wig, drawstringers, all of that in one, which I love. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to get some different looks or whatever. One wig, different look. It is giving, let me switch up my look every day. It is giving only buy one wig and be able to switch up my looks, honey. So girlfriend, I'm so excited to show y'all these different looks that are so easy to do. So if you're interested, go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, that's not what I meant to do. Here we go. Okay, up. There we go. All right, let's get it cracking. Let's get this wig popping, y'all. I'm so excited about this wig because it is a versatility wig, okay? This particular wig you can wear as a headband wig, a half wig, and a drawstring ponytail, which is just so like, oh my god, I cannot wait to see what this wig is like. So I thought about leaving it straight. Honestly, this kinky straight is so pretty. It's nice and full. I love the texture. Like, it just looks good just like this. I really actually like this. I've just really been loving kinky straight. It just gives you that full, like, natural, you know what I'm saying, texture, and you can just do so much with it. But I'm gonna throw in some curls so I can have some big curlies. I'm just feeling real big and curly, so we're gonna throw some curls in the girl, and then I'll show y'all a few different ways you can wear this pretty little thing right here. Okay, let's do it. versatile ponytail headband wig, y'all. I think this is so freaking cute. Like, I love this little messy bun or whatever, and it's just amazing that you can do all these different styles with just one wig. I am here for this. Wig Encounters is gonna get you together, okay, on them days where you just cannot figure it out, you don't know what to do. This is something that is so easy. 5-minute slay, okay, something different you could do. You switch up your look, whatever. So I'm loving this wig. It was super easy. I love the quality of hair. It's super thick. Like, y'all, look at all this hair. Like, all of this hair, girl, and you just can look cute for your day and not even have to do too much. And y'all know that's me to a T. So if y'all love this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, and join the Boss Boo crew. Okay, we lit this way. Thank y'all so much for watching. Once again, big thank you to Wig Encounters on this wig, girlfriend. Links are down below, so make sure to check it out, and I will catch y'all in the next video.